this video, we'll explore what global variables are and how to use them in Requestly. Global variables are available across your entire workspace. Unlike environment variables, they don't change when you switch environments. This makes them ideal for values that should stay consistent, like a base domain, API key, or shared configuration. Let's see how to create a global variable in Requestly. In this request, you can see we have a variable, base domain, that is not defined yet. So let's go ahead and create this variable as a global variable. Head over to the Environments tab on the left. Here, you will see there is an option for global variables. Click on it. Now here you can define global variables. Let's define base domain here and give it a value, localhost 3000. If we save it and go back to our request, we can see that the base domain now resolves to localhost 3000. Now let's take a practical example and see where you might actually use global variables. Here, we have a login request that uses a user ID and password from the environment. In our setup, we've created two environments, one for an active user and another for a suspended user. We use these to simulate two different user types, one with a suspended account and one with an active account. When we send the request with the active user selected, the response shows an authenticated status, granting access. Switching to the suspended user returns an account suspended status. Now notice, our base domain is also a variable, but since it is a global variable, regardless of which environment we test, it always points to localhost. If we want to change the server, we simply update the global variable, for example, to prod.com, and save it. Going back to the login request, you'll see the base domain is now prod.com. That's the benefit of global variables. They exist outside the scope of environments, so they remain constant while other variables change. They're especially useful when you want to reuse values across multiple environments without having to update them everywhere. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.